It's a tough situation to be in, one some Virginia renters are increasingly finding themselves facing, being in the middle of a holdover tenancy and facing eviction during the pandemic when their lease expires or is terminated. A huge issue Attorney Palmer HEENAN says their agency is seeing. The trouble? Many tenants with expired leases are simply unable to find new housing.
Because it's just not available to look at, or because they've lost income, new housing won't accept them. So they may be able to pay their current bills, but they're unable to show enough income to move into the new place.
HEENAN says many tenants simply don't know their rights in this situation. Their lease expires, yet they continue to pay month to month while the landlord continues to accept the money. Many live in fear that any day their landlord will evict them because they're a holdover tenant.
They still have rights, and they're still tenants under that existing lease, and that the landlord still needs to go to court in order to remove them from the property. You should continue to pay your rent. You should do everything you can, everything within your power to continue to pay that rent while you're living in the property. But again, the most important thing is that your landlord can't simply change the locks. That is an unlawful exclusion on illegal lockouts, utility cutoffs, that kind of thing. That's not allowed even under these circumstances.
HEENAN says when a holdover tenant faces a rent hike from a landlord, there's a protection there as well.
So if they want to increase the rental rate, they can't just say to you on September 30th, hey, when you pay me rent tomorrow on October 1st, make sure it's $200 higher. They have to send you the proper notice, which means sending you a notice 30 days in advance of the next rental due date of any changes.
Legal experts say tenants really should read their leases thoroughly and understand whether it contains an automatic renewal clause. If you are facing eviction, you can contact the eviction diversion hotline at 1-833-663-8428. Working for you, I'm Shelby Brown, CBS 6 News.